Welcome to PC Error Detective, where we solve your tech puzzles one click at a time. Today, we're diving into how to disable smooth scrolling in Chrome. If you find our content helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech tips. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser and in the address bar, type in this command and press enter. This will take you to Chrome's experimental features page. Next, you'll want to locate the smooth scrolling feature. Simply type smooth scrolling into the search bar at the top of the flags page. You'll see the smooth scrolling option appear below. By default, the setting might be set to default or enabled if you've tinkered with it before. To turn off smooth scrolling, click on the drop-down menu next to it and change the setting to disabled. Finally, to apply the changes, you'll need to relaunch Chrome. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the relaunch button. Once Chrome restarts, smooth scrolling will be disabled, giving you a different scrolling experience. And that's it. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.